Hey, I'm Tracy Smith with STM Goods, and I'm here to show you just how protective this amazing Dux keyboard case can be. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Mil-spec standards are you drop a case from 4 feet, that's about this high, onto plywood. We're not going to drop it on plywood today. We're going to drop it on concrete, because concrete is harder, and kids use iPads everywhere. And if you're using this with students, you never know where they're going to drop it. So let's find out what it's like. Starting off now. There's the first drop. Let's see how we did. Still working, still great. Everything's good. Let's do it again. Still going. Woo! Is this really happening? How's our iPad doing? Still going. Everything's fine. How about a little spin? How about a little twist? How's the iPad doing? Still good. Still good. What if we drop it into rocks? What if we drop it on a fire hydrant? iPad's still good. Everything's working. All good. The Dux case is tough enough to take the drops. Dux case, that's what you want to protect your iPad. Well, that's done. Let's go have some fun. Bowling, anyone?